We are pleased to show you the 2009 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, power steering, four-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio, passenger airbag, CD player, MP3 capability, daytime running lights. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.